Hi and welcome to NCATutor.com. Today we're in Caibarén, Cuba, bringing you this exam tip on constitutional law. So Peter Hogg raises a question. He asks whether there's a priority between judicial review of a federalism problem over judicial review of a charter question. And the answer, he explains, is yes, federalism must come first. Now let me explain why. So federalism, as we know, is the distribution of powers as set out in sections 91 and 92 of the 1867 Constitution Act. And charter review is reviewing a law or government action that's contrary to one of the rights and freedoms set out in the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. So the question here is, if a law is being challenged on both grounds, so they're challenging whether the government passed a law and had the authority to do so, so that's a federalism review, and they're also challenging it on whether they believe that law violates one of the rights and freedoms under the Charter. So the answer to the question as to whether there's a priority is found in Section 32 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Section 32 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms says that basically Parliament has to pass laws that are within its authority, and the provincial legislatures have to pass laws that are within its authority. Okay? And basically the Charter applies to those laws that are within their authority. Meaning, in other words, the Charter does not apply to laws outside of the authority of Parliament, and the Charter does not apply to laws outside of the authority of the provincial legislatures. So if the provincial legislatures or the federal Parliament passes a law that they don't have authority to pass, there is no Charter application. So indeed, federalism comes first, because he first needs to test whether the law is within the authority of Parliament or the provincial legislatures. Thanks for watching this exam tip brought to you by NCATutor.com. We'll see you again next time.